I just love the Buttermilk Falls and I love this fall time of the year. Yellow, red, orange, and green.
توتو بارلي قردين شطار دايما بيلعبوا ويعملوا أفكار مرة فلاحين
They throw the coins in the water and make a wish in hopes their wish will come true.
مرة تتجار
Marwa, do you think it's raining or are we just standing behind the waterfall? We are standing behind the waterfall. We are not getting wet. Cool.
كل يوم مغامرة مليانة ولاية
Look at all the colors and how absolutely gorgeous this place is. Yes, the colors are better than candy. Well, I do not know it's better than candy.